A single bracelet does not jingle. When you follow in the path of your father, you learn to walk like him. Two ants do not fail to pull one grasshopper. A family tie is like a tree. It can bend, but it cannot break. Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. An empty pot makes the loudest noise. Birds of a feather flock together. One cannot both feast and become rich. He who loves you with your dirt. The best way to eat an elephant is one bite at a time. The sun does not forget a village just because it is small. Rain does not fall on one roof alone. If you marry a monkey for his wealth, the money goes and the monkey remains. You cannot tell a hungry child that you gave him food yesterday. The one who loves an unsightly person is the one who makes him beautiful. A single finger cannot kill a louse. Love has to be shown by deeds, not words. He who is unable to dance claims that the yard is stony. No matter how long the night, the day is sure to come. One thread for the needle, one love for the heart. To be without a friend is to be poor indeed. The lizard that jumped from the high Iroko tree said he would praise himself if no one else did. Even the fiercest storm begins as a single drop of rain. Do not look where you fell, but where you slipped. Do not let what you cannot do tear from your hands what you can. Do not set sail on someone else's star. When the roots of a tree begin to decay, it spreads death to the branches. The old woman looks after the child to grow its teeth, and the young one in turn looks after the old woman when she loses her teeth. One cannot count on riches. A fool is a wise man's ladder. The fool speaks, the wise man listens. The forest not only hides man's enemies, but it's full of man's medicine, healing power, and food. Do not forget what is to be a sailor because of being a captain yourself. Wisdom is not like money to be tied up and hidden. Love has no eyes. Where there is love, there is no darkness. When you are in need, you become a beggar. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. You cannot take a man's measuring rod to the bush.